Students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of quadratic equations. Okay, today we will do 4 questions, 4 videos from question number 17 to 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, see, question number 17 is from JEE 2019. Okay, if m is chosen in the quadratic equation m square plus 1x square minus 3x plus m square plus 1 whole square such that the sum of its roots is greatest. Sum of its roots here greatest. Okay. Then the absolute difference of the cubes of its roots is. Okay. See. First of all, what they are asking here? They are asking absolute difference of the cubes of its roots. See, cubes of its roots, difference absolute. Is this they are asking, you see? First of all, okay, from bottom to top we go. Absolute difference of the cubes of its roots. Difference, absolute, cubes. Okay? Then go back again. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha into beta. That we have to find. See, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. But here see, minus b means b is minus 3. 3 by a. A is m square plus 1. Okay. What about alpha beta? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. C is m square plus 1 whole square. But I don't write whole square, I will write like this. Why again by a? M square plus 1 I have to write. That means these two, if you get cancelled out, then 1 plus m square will be your alpha into beta. Okay? Okay, now, what point they have given again? The sum of its roots is greatest. The sum of its roots is greatest. M is chosen in the quadratic equation such that the sum of its roots is greatest. That means sum of its roots means this one. This one means, you see, I am writing like this, sir. When this is greatest, you tell me at what value of m? Why? Because m is such that this value should be greatest. Why? What is this value? This is sum of the roots. Sum of the roots should be greatest at certain value of m. What is that value of m? Simple. At m is equal to 0. At m is equal to 0, 3 by m square plus 1 is greatest. Why? Why? Because m square 0, 1, 3 by 1 is 3 is greatest. Or else denominator, if rather than 0, if any number if you give negative or positive, it is going to square. Minus 2 or plus 2 square, 4, 4 plus 1 5, 3 by 5 is least value rather than 3. Okay, that is why you take m as 0. Okay. If at all if you take 0 at m is equal to 0 implies alpha plus beta what will come? 3. Alpha into beta 1. Okay. Those two values will come. Now go back again. What they are asking? They are asking alpha cube minus beta cube modulus. See, you have got only these two, but they are asking this. How you are going to get? We know one formula. What is that formula? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, here 2ab will not come. Don't forget. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into this one. If you apply modulus, you can apply modulus. Based on this, I am applying modulus like this. You see, alpha cube minus beta cube modulus is equal to alpha minus beta modulus into alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. Okay? Okay. Now, see, alpha cube minus beta cube modulus you require, but slowly one by one you do. How you are going to do this? Why? Because you have got alpha plus beta. First you, what we can say? See what I am doing. Alpha minus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Now 4 alpha beta. Why? Because see alpha plus beta square minus alpha minus beta square is equal to 4 alpha beta. Okay. Now see alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta how much? 3 square minus 4 into 1. Okay. What will happen? 9 minus 4, 5. See alpha minus beta square is equal to 5 or else alpha minus beta but modulus is equal to root 5. Okay. That means this value I have got root 5. Now you have to get that value. See here alpha beta value you are having, but alpha square plus beta square value how you are going to get? You can get from here. Let's do it. Okay, see alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Okay, see alpha beta you know, alpha plus beta you know, alpha square plus beta square value also you can know. Okay, now you know alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square means what? 9 minus 2 into 1. Okay, that is equal to 9 minus 10 minutes. No. Yeah, wait. Why? Because see, again you have to do alpha beta. Okay, let it be. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, let it be. Now you see, this is what? This is only alpha square plus beta square, but again plus alpha beta you have to take there. Right on then. See how I am writing. Alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta modulus is equal to alpha square plus beta square value is 7 plus alpha beta value is 1 modulus, that is equal to 8. Okay. So what will be this value? Modulus if you apply this one. Finally you write it. 8 into root 5, 8 root 5 will come. See alpha cube minus beta cube modulus is equal to alpha minus beta value is root 5 into this one. This one is 8. Or else you can write 8 root 5. This will be your answer. Okay. Now let us go for next question.